AI integration into satellite communication is revolutionizing global connectivity with enhanced efficiency and reliability. Satellite networks are becoming smarter with AI-driven optimization, improving bandwidth management and reducing congestion. AI-powered predictive maintenance in satellites prevents equipment failures, reducing downtimes and enhancing service quality. The combination of AI and satellites ensures dynamic resource allocation, crucial during emergencies and natural disasters. AI enhances security in satellite communications, detecting cyber threats and mitigating interference for safer networks. By automating satellite operations, AI reduces human intervention, enabling autonomous orbit adjustments and diagnostics. AI is key in processing vast satellite data and improving real-time decision-making in fields like climate monitoring. AI-powered satellites are providing internet access in remote areas, bridging the digital divide globally. Satellites with AI capabilities are reshaping disaster management by offering real-time data for faster response efforts. AI-enhanced satellite networks are vital for military operations, improving surveillance, secure communication, and situational awareness. AI-driven beamforming technology is boosting satellite signal accuracy, reducing interference in high-demand areas. The future of satellite communication is tied to AI-powered low Earth orbit (LEO) constellations for global high-speed internet. AI-enabled satellites support environmental monitoring, helping track deforestation and analyze climate change data. The integration of AI in satellite communication presents challenges related to cost, complexity, and cybersecurity threats. AI plays a critical role in ensuring uninterrupted satellite broadcasts by predicting and mitigating interference sources. AI in space-based IoT networks is set to connect billions of devices, transforming industries like agriculture and logistics. Autonomous satellites, powered by AI, are shaping the future of space exploration with real-time data analysis. AI-driven satellite systems enhance network performance by optimizing resource use and improving service quality. AI-enhanced satellite systems have reduced satellite downtimes by over 60%, improving efficiency and lowering costs. AI-powered satellites are key to building more resilient, secure, and responsive global communication networks.